This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Everyone join the session. Yesterday we have done GST theories, and today we are going to start with the practical sessions. Little bit we have started yesterday. I'm going to share the screen. Please put a response if you are able to see the screen. Screen is visible to all. So I'm going to start create conditions type. How much you have practiced, students? Have you done with the cash journals? So the conditions type. So I'm going to show you some of these steps. You can make a note what we have to do GST configurations. So GST implementation in SAP, tax procedure in SAP. So tax code 1, tax code 2, tax code 3, tax code 4. Like this we have to create the conditions type first deductible. You can write from this GST in SAP FI. So what we need to do, you can write here. So first step is create conditions type. Short the T code is OBQ1. So make a note. All the steps we'll be doing one by one. So create first step is create conditions type OBQ1. Headings only first you write. Will go through the path. So I'm going to create conditions type SPRO. Write down SPRO, SAP reference IMG. In the SAP Easy Access screen, type SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. Okay. Then financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Tax on sales or purchase. So yesterday I think we have created conditions type. Yes or no? We have created conditions type yesterday. Type in the chat box yes or no. Hmm? Reply in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I'll show you once again, not an issues. So here we have call tax on sales or purchase, basic settings, and we have done check calculations procedure, define conditions type. We have done this. Clear? We have done this, and click on new entries. We have done ZGIC, something like this. So I'm going to show you that what we have created. Who can tell me which range we have created? NGIC. We have created this. Yes, we have created NGIC, NGIS, NGII, NGOC, NGOI, NGOS. Clear? So this all 6 conditions type we have created. Then in this any doubts is there, students? Is there any doubts how to create? Hmm? Is there any doubts because it's a little difficult and longer topic? Okay. So what about others? Babita, Kirtana, Ankita, Mishida. I am asking to all students. If you have any doubts, ask now. No means I will continue for the next. If you are ready for the next type 1, okay, let's see. The next step is we are going to create accounting keys. So make a note, create accounting keys OBCN. This I am going to create now. Do not write input or output, just write create accounting keys OBCN. Then create accounting keys OBCN. So I am going to use the T code bar for this. Slash and OBCN. So accounting keys I am going to create. So click on new entries. So change view tax processing and accounting. Click on new entries. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me who is speaking now.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you typed in the bar, like the T code bar?
Slash and OBCN. So that I have shown in this here. This one you have to type. OBCN. In the T code
Okay,
part,
ma'am.
this you have to type. So you will get this particular screen. Clear? So we need to click on new entries. To click on new entries. Okay. What I should select? NIC. So descriptions I will give here. I and pay colon central tax or central GST. Tax type I'll be giving as a input tax, that is 2. Posting indicator is also separate line items. Please make a note. Process is NIC. Why N? Because my company first letter is N. I is for input. C I have given for central GST. Central GST. Okay. Tax type is 2. That is for input tax. Posting indicator is 2. That is called separate line items. Everything will get. Actually, this is marker box. No, it's a lunch box. It's for this. Okay, posting indicator is 2. Clear? So after this, click on save. Next is you can save with your companies. Customizing request. Next, what is that? We need to click on save and back once. Again, click on new entries. NIS. Okay, like description is input state GST. What we have to do? Input state GST. STA GST. Tax type input tax. Posting indicator is 2. Separate line items. Make a note on this. Then students, this one you have to save. Clear? Next is back, new entries, NII. What is that? Input interstate GST. Tax type is input tax, that is for 2. Posting indicator 2. Why for? This is separate line items. Every business transaction is in 2 lines entries, that is debit and credit. So we are doing posting indicator separate line items. So for GST it will be separate line items. Completed, students? Put your response, unmute yourself and tell me if it is done. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am, done.
What about others? So this is save. Everyone is done. Put your response. Okay. Next is we have done for this is input. Next back and again new entries NOC, that is for out central GST. Out central GST. Tax type is what should I do? Output tax. Posting indicator what I should do? Separate line items. So remember that here I have selected 1. 1 is for output tax. 2 is for input tax. But here posting indicator will not be changed. It will be 2 only. Finished? So after this click on save. Next is NOS. What should I do? I click on new entries. NOS. This is out state GST. State GST. This is tax type is input tax. Posting indicator 2. Sorry, here I have chosen one wrongly. This is output tax. Done, save. Next is NOI. So click on new entries. NOI. This is out interstate GST. What I should do here? Out interstate GST. Clear? So tax type is output tax. This is 2 is for separate line items. Okay, done. So completed, save. So this is called accounting keys creation. Okay. Next, what we need to do? Next options you write, students. Define tax procedure OBQ3. So write define tax procedure OBQ3. Third step. Everyone understanding? Hmm? All are understanding? If you are understanding, type yes. If you are not understanding, you can type no also. So I'll tell you. Okay. What about others? Only 3 years I have got. Only 3 years. What about others? Hmm? What about others? Vinashri. So if is it audible, students? Is it audible? If it is audible, put your response here. Okay, so any doubts in the today's sessions? So I am going to show you the defined tax procedure OBQ3. So how to do /n OBQ3. So everyone getting the screen? Screen is visible to you? Okay. Now see defined tax procedure OBQ3. Make a note on this. So here we will get the screen. How I was in SAP Easy Access /n OBQ3. So we'll directly jump to the tax procedure. Okay. Click on position. Click on position. So it will ask you the procedure. We will not click on positions. Why? Mistakenly, if you click on position, it will ask you the tax procedure. But we are going to create for this. So you need to click on new entries. Understood, students? You need not to click on positions. You have to click on new entries. Have to click on new entries. Clear? So now I'm going to create tax. TAXIN. I'm creating tax procedure is TAXIN. What is the things are there? Let's take once look. What I am saying /n OBQ3. I want to show you some things. See, there is some different alphabets are there. We need to check this alphabets has been used or not. TAXIN has been used or not. TXIND has been used. TAXINJ has been used. TAXINT. No. TAXIN has for India. Tax procedure for India. Tax procedure for India. Make a note on this. So you have to type the procedure name, description. Here, after this, you have to click on save. So save with the customizing request. Now select that one and double click on control. Double click on control. Completed. So double click on control, you will get the screen. This is called change view control overview. Anyone is doing it now? Okay, Mishita is doing. Okay. So all are getting this particular screen.
Mom,
The screen you are. Tell me.
Mom, when I double click on control, I'm getting choose an entry from sub dialog procedures.
Yes, yes. Without choosing, you will not able to do. I'll show you once again. See, you have to choose and then you click.
Okay, Mom.
Double click here. Without this, it will not work. You need to choose that one. Okay. So you got the screen. Change view control. Got the screen. Change view control.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Now here we need to do very carefully. So click on new entries. Okay. Once you click on new entries, step. How I am doing like this, you have to do not press enter key. You can use arrow key, down arrow key from the keyboard you can use. This is all. I am going to give 10. This is you can give 20. This is you can give 30, 30. Next is 40. Then one is 50. Then this is 60. Then 70. Like this you can give. So here it is called conditions type. First is like BASB. What is that BASB, students? That is called base amount. So I will select BASB. This is okay, base amount. So second one I will be choosing here. Our range is NGIC. No, that we need to select. You can type also, but if you select, it will take time. Better you can type. Just check that. It will not display, but you can type here. Close this. One second. Conditions type is getting closed. Okay. So here I'll type NGIC. Okay. Then go to the next. Here NG. Use the mouse for go to the next one. NGIS. Then you type NGII. Then you do NGOC. Then you do what range you have selected that you need to type. NGOS. Then NGOI. First to complete this, here it is called as a base amount. It is called as a base amount. This is called input. You need to type. It will not show automatically. Input central GST. Go to the next. Don't press enter, students. It will get saved haphazardly. So you can use the four arrow keys is there in your laptop keyboard. So that down arrow key you have to use to go to the next, or else you can take the help of mouse. So input state GST, then input next is out interstate GST. Clear? All these things you have done. out interstate GST. Done, students? Then this is called from. Okay, so from, what we need to do, just don't give the form for first one. Then this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is from account 10, this is 10, this is 10. Okay, and this is 10. Okay, so a beep sound will come if you will give one extra number. So for base amounts we are not going to give. You can scroll little and you will get the accounting keys. Here we have called accounting keys. Okay, so what I need to type: NIC, NIS, NII, NOC, NOS. This is the screen, very carefully you have to do. NOI. So fill all these things. Then we are going to save. Completely, slowly you do it. Don't hurry up. Once it is done, let me know on that. Who has done till this much, take the screenshot and send in the group. In WhatsApp group you send those who have done till now. I will get to know when all done. Send the screenshot, then I'll proceed the next. Amrin has done. Okay, Angela. Okay, so everyone done correctly. Yes, I know, I correct. What about others? Okay, TGIC, correct. Who has done very good? TGIS, TGIS, TGII, TGOS, TGSWAS. Good. TIC, TIS, TII, TOC, TOS. Very good. So done. Very nice. Clear? So, other students, you send the screenshot, those who have done. Nitya Shri, what I said to you 10, 20. Okay, correct, it is given. Okay, have you saved all these things? From account 10. Okay, very good. BASB, NIC, NIS. Okay, done. So all entries is displaying for you. Why your screen is displaying little smaller?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. I don't
anyhow,
know
you
why.
have done.
But it's done.
Okay, it's done. Okay, fine. Clear. Next, we save this. So once you save, it will show automatically 0000 like this. Okay. Then back once. So this tax procedure has been done. Select this and save, and come back to this previous one. Clear? So this tax is over. Now we'll do another one. Right. Assign tax procedure to country OBBG. Next step is fourth number steps. Assign tax procedure to country. So the T code is OBBG. Do not use caps lock. I have given like this. Always you should use small letters in the SAP T code bar. Please do not use any caps lock. Capital letters you need not to use. Okay, I'll come out from the screen. Slash and OBBG. You can see how I am typing in small letters. Press enter. So assign country, go to calculations procedure it is asking. So we need to click on position. Right? Click on position. Hmm? So what we need to give IN. Country is India. So we need to give IN. Clear? Once you click on country, you need to change this procedure. With what procedure you have created that? What procedure I have created? TAXIN. I have created this procedure. Click on save. So save with your company. So done. Everyone done this? Save with your company customizing request. So IN procedure name, what you have created that you need to give. Clear? So next step is another longer steps that is called create tax code FTXP. Fifth number steps create tax code FTXP. These T codes are it may comes in online exams. Make sure that it should be in one list. So what I am saying once the GST chapter will complete. So this is the last chapters actually. And one dunning is there, but I will show a little procedure, but we cannot do that full dunning because it is a printer is required for that. So what I am saying, I'll show you the procedure, and at last this Friday or maybe Thursday I am going to by using T code. Everyone with me in the class you have to create company till GL creations. I'm going to send you T codes. By using T code, we'll all together on the Thursday will create a new company and will be continuing the classes. GST will be finishing by I think tomorrow, Thursday or maybe Friday. We'll start with that. By using T codes, fastly how we can create a company, because real time work we need not to go through the pathwise, we have to work on this T code wise. So once you practice with the T code wise, it will be easy for you to work on SAP. Clear? And you will be able to remember also. Clear, students? So let's complete this topic today. TAXIN, save, and back to the screen, SAP Easy Access. So next one is FTXP, that is called create tax code. Okay, so slash and FTXP, slash and FTXP, click on enter, country, what I should select, IN. Clear? So IN you will select, click on this T code, tick mark, and tax code. I am going to create tax code now, N1. What I should give N1, because my company's name is starting with the N letters, so I am giving N1. You can use any alphabets with 1. Why? Because for tax code we need to create. So N1 I have given, press enter. So I need to define this N1. So what I should do? INP central and state GST at the rate 28%. Please make a note. Input central and state GST at the rate 28%. Then tax type. What is the tax type this year? We have to do V for input tax. Completely you do. And one more students, one more things, you whatever we are doing, please make a note in the copy also, as well as in the systems, as well as in your notebook, because maybe in future you will forget what you have done. So maybe this week I am going to assignments that write the steps for accounts payable, write the steps for accounts receivable, and GST. Today I am going to give two more assignments, and Thursday I'll give you, Friday I'll give you one more assignments. That is all written assignments only, and you have to write the path and total procedure of this. Then what will happen? You will get to remember in future. Clear? All are ready for that? All are ready for that? Put your response if you are ready. What we have done, GL creations, path you need to write, how to create GL account. Okay, and you have to write accounts payable in SAP, how to do, then accounts receivable, how to do. This is longer question, students. Last week we have done some short questions. This week I am going to give you long questions, right? How you have submitted nicely in the group, like this you need to submit. Okay, at last on this Friday, I will give you one more assignment related to GST, which will be few small questions. Okay, and if you want, you can write the path for this and T code for that. So like this, we will complete our sessions, means like chapters and all by this week. Next week, I'll do revisions as quiz classes. Clear? Done? So all are agreed for this? Okay. So thank you for your response. We'll continue now. Create tax code FTXP. Now we are going to save this. Once it is done, click on this continue. Okay. Once you click on continue, you will get the screen. What is that? Maintain tax code tax rate.
Mom,
So yes, tell me.
when I clicked on continue, I got no access sequence defined for condition type NGOS.
Why? You have not created conditions type?
Mom, I did everything that was said.
That I'm not getting. You need to check the conditions type there. This says 14 and 14. Conditions type and accounting keys. You need to do properly. Now you can see on the screen accounting keys and conditions type. It should match to each other. When you have done control data, any mistakes is there? I have checked, but there is no mistakes. Check with the account this one conditions type once. You have given TAXNI. Nityashri,
Yes, mom.
you have given TAXNI.
Yes, mom.
Then what your procedure are typing now TAXIN? It won't be matched. What names you have given, that name only you have to give. But what is my suggestion? Check with conditions type once.
Mom, that is which step?
That is conditions type. You can go through the T code. I'll show that. Directly you can jump to the screen. Conditions type you check OBQ1.
Could you say that again?
OBQ1.
OBQ1.
Yes, check with that. All this conditions type, 6 conditions type we have created. That you check once. I'll stop for 5 minutes here. Just check that. Did you check Nitya Sri?
Mom, I cannot find her.
Okay, we'll do for another few minutes and you can share the screen. Okay, let's
Okay.
complete this one. And students, if you have stuck or your hand, so you can share the screen and or else you can show the videos. I can check it out. Okay. So input central GST. You till that you can note down this what I am going to do. I'll just another 10 minutes. After this, you can share the screen. So input central GST. Once you give 14 and 14. What about others? Except Nitya Shri. Others are able to do. Others are getting. Type 1. Those who are getting here. In the chat box, you type 1. Okay. Ayman, Angela. What about others? Hafiza. Okay. Mishita. Next. Anyone is doing here? Humera. Okay. So those who are doing, they are getting the response. Okay. No issues. We'll continue this. Press enter. We'll check it out by 7:10. What is the issues? So central GST. This once you enter, it will come 14,000. But don't scared about this. Just click on save. Click on the save button. Now N1 was created. Now next one is N2. So just right side of the 1, change it as a 2. So N2, press enter. Now I'll create input, change it as a interstate GST. Interstate GST at the rate 28%. And tax type is V. V is for input tax. Do it now. So it will continue till Thursday. Another 1-2 more sessions it's required to complete GST. We'll do on Friday that with the T course, company creations. It will take another 2 days to complete this, or else it may complete tomorrow or Thursday. Okay, tax type is B. Done. Click on this and click this NII. Just you have to give 28. 28 and press enter and save. Twenty-eight, press enter, then save. Completed. So save this. Next you create N3. N3, press enter So out, this is called out means sales. Okay, this is out. Why I am using that is for sales. In means purchase. INP means it is for purchase. Out means it is for sales. So that's what I am using. So this is central and state GST at the rate 28%. And your tax type is A. A for output tax. Clear? Press enter. So this I am going to NOC, it is 14. This is also 14. Done. Press enter. Click on save. Likewise, the last tax code you create, that is N4. That is out interstate GST. Out interstate GST at the rate 28%. Clear? Done? So tax type is A for input tax. Clear, students? So last one is you have to put 28. Press enter. So stay online just for 5 minutes. I'll be back. So everyone is done, students. Click on save. So this has done. All these things has done here. So we have done create tax code FTXP. So from sixth step onwards, we'll be doing afterwards. So if you have any doubts on this, so stay online just 2 minutes. So any doubts is there, students? So we'll be doing till this much today. If you have any doubts, please share your screen, and anything you want to ask, you can ask. So Nityashri,
Mom.
you want to share the screen?
Mom, I'll send the photo of the
What photos?
error I'm getting in the group.
Okay, I'll check it once.
And then also the change view conditions that screen. Both of them I'm sending.
Okay, 1 second, I'll check and tell you. So double click on that NGI. You have created NGIC, na?
Mom, 1 second, I have to go back to that.
What range? What I have created, same things we have created, right?
Yes, mom, the same name.
Double click on this NGIC. I want to check all this.
Mom, 1 second.
Okay, access sequence. Yes, you have done mistakes there. I got to know what is the error. Please open that NGOS. You open NGOS only. I'm got.
Okay, mom, mom, just give me a second.
Yes, got this error solutions. You have not done access sequence. You have not selected access. I will
Okay,
show you
mom.
where it is. I will show you once. Wait, you can do also. Slash and OBQ1. Okay, I'll just go to that screen. I will show that. So mine is NGOS. Okay, NGOS. I'm going to show you that where you have done mistakes. So you have not selected the access sequence MWSD. That's what it is not able to select. For all the tags, all this conditions type you have to select.
Okay,
Access
yes, mom. It's blank
you have
there.
not selected.
Yes, mom. So I just
So
have to
that
type that in
will
and then
be
save, right?
that will be MWST. This is the problem. MWST have to select.
Then I just have to save and that's it, right?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, mom. Okay, mom.
Got this
Thank
point?
you.
Put a thumbs
Yes,
up
mom.
if you have solved. Send a picture that you have done.
Okay, mom.
Okay, so this is for you check all the six. NGOC you select, NGOI you check, NG, all the six conditions type you can check. Anywhere you have stuck out means now you can do it. Time is there, accounting case, what you have created, it's okay. So you create this tax code and send it in the group. Those who
Okay.
have done with the tax code students, you can send in the group one picture of this. So what is the tax code? FTXP. Clear? So I'll just go to that slash n FTXP. So IN country. So and for anyone you can just show me that. Or what you will do no? You just click on this slash n FTXP maintain tax code. Click here. Students, click here all the tax code. I want to see that. We have created N1, N2, N3, N4. Like this I want to see for all. So take a screenshot and send in the group. Okay, so I'll get to know what and all you have created. Till this much will be done. And maintain tax code initial screen, you will get to know this is some other people has created. I have not created this. I have created N1, this and all this. So you can put the highlighting points, and from main highlighting points you can put the cursor and send this picture in the group. So we'll get to know this much we have done. Nityashri and those students are doing, please complete it today and send the screenshot over here. Anyone has any more doubts? Hmm? Anyone has any more doubts? So this is the time to ask. Ask now. Today why 26, 27 students? Still they you are thinking holiday? Students, we have only 1 week. This week and next week. After this, the batch will get over. Why your screen is in that way? Who is sending this? Mishita? You're to this one. Console, the screen is displaying. Angela is correctly done. Wow, nice. Super. Your is correct, but Mishita, you have fully shut down or something. No, no. She has also done. I think she has minimized other screens and all. That's what it is displaying. Okay, no issues. Everything is correct. Need not to worry about this. But Mishita, which screen it is? You are no. Again, you have to do SAP logon. Do not use like that. Again, it will be a software problem then. My screen, how it is looking like this, it should be. You should not minimize to the SAP management screen. Okay, done. So we'll close this and come back. So next, what you will do, you can write the procedure students will be doing in the next class. You can write this, but we'll do tomorrow's class, this one. Make a note for another 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes is there. Create GL for accounting keys FS00. Output, for output need not to create, that I will tell you on Thursday class, but right now you write for input. And seventh number point, account determines assign GL to accounting keys. OB40 and create entries FB16. Ninth number step is like payment entries for vendor accounts. This also we need to do entries in the vendor accounts like we can do for accounts payable customer accounts. That also I'll show you at the end of the batch. This week it will be full running with the GST only. This FB60 is for vendor invoice T code students and 9 number you write post outgoing payments, that is F-53. So all completed. Write this accounting determines for GLs and 9 number stems I am going to add, that is 9 dot, this is called post outgoing payments. Post outgoing payments, that is what the T code is, F-53. Is it correct? For vendor payment, what is that? F-53. So I'm going to give some assignments. Related to accounts payable, sorry, GLs, GL creations, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. Okay. So I'll just type in this and I'll send it in the group. I'll send you after this class with this one notepad. Then you can work on this. So get ready and you need to submit by next week. Or if you want, you can submit. You can submit the assignments by this week, student. Next week I'll give for the GST. Okay. So you can submit the assignments by what is that, Friday. Done, students? So this is completed. So next you see, we'll just start. Assignments 2. This is the first assignments I have given, assignment 2. What are the questions here? If you have any questions, you can also share. Means you can ask, but I'm going to questions to give you assignments. This is a long questions. You can write. Take your time. Aram so you can submit on Friday. If you submit on Monday, also no issues. Okay, but try to submit on Friday. So write about the accounts payable procedure with all T codes which is using in this part with all T codes. Okay. Next, same things. Question number 3. Only 3 questions, long questions, but is write about accounts receivable procedure with all T codes. You can refer the videos and you can write also. Okay. Next one is I'll give on little bit cash journals which is not required but you can do. So question number 4, what is cash journal? Why do we use or what is the use of cash journal? Write the procedure to write the procedure for cash journal posting with T codes. Okay. So this is assignment 2 students. Take your own time. These are long questions and I'm going to save this is desktop assignment. This is 2. That's all for the day, students. Download this question set and you can start writing on this full procedure with e-codes. You can refer the videos and you can write. I'll be checking in details. So don't hurry up. Aram se you can do by Friday evening. You can submit this particular time. You can submit. If not possible, you can submit on any day. Saturday is Sunday. How you are doing like this? If you are able to do within this week, Saturday till Sunday, you can send it. So I'll be replying on Monday. Dear students, that's all for the day. Okay, bye bye. We'll continue on the sessions next tomorrow.